A legendary British motorcycle, the BSA Gold Star. They raced these in every configuration possible. 500cc single cylinder Thumper, British classic Thumper. They road raced them, they trialed them, they enduroed them, they even motocrossed them. Just the consummate British motorcycle. Start up at the front, drum brakes, single side drum brakes, headlight with the ammeter built in, speedo on the left, tack on the right, gas with a little vent for a breather cap on it. The Gold Star. This one has been upgraded with an amyl carburetor, and yes, there is a plug on it to keep the birds out when you're not riding it. Doesn't work very well when you do. STD transmission, kickstart, oil tank, dual seat, rear suspension, and the big throaty exhaust pipe. On the other side, BSA Gold Star, Ultimate Cafe Racer's bike. This one's got slightly higher bars. They were available that way for the American market. Slightly higher, more comfortable. DBD 34GS. GS stands for Gold Star. DBD 34 is the engine. Horn, magneto. You notice its brake is on the left and the shifter is on the right. Typical traditional British styling. There you have it. BSA Gold Star. Remarkable machine. My name's Buzz Cantor, and I'm talking about motorcycles. If you like videos like this about classic bikes, please subscribe to my channel. Click the little red box on the right. It's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Thank you.